How to use one-tap editing in LightCut for quick edits. First of all, open the app on your device. On the home screen, you will see an option called One-Tap Edit. Tap on it to get started. Next, select the video clips or photos you want to include in your edit. You can choose from your gallery or any recently recorded clips. Once selected, tap Next and LightCut will automatically analyze your footage using AI to generate a complete video. The app instantly applies transitions, effects, filters, and background music that match the rhythm of your clips. You can preview the edit right away, and if you would like, make small adjustments like changing the templates, music, or text before exporting. This feature is perfect when you need quick edits for social media, travel videos, or blogs without spending much time on manual editing. Now you know how to use one-tap editing in LightCut for quick edits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.